Imagine yourself in this 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Heated seats offer comfort in cold weather. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. Pamper yourself with memory settings. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: passenger airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.